Hi, I'm Mike Thompson. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and I wish you all a happy 2022. Let's take a look back at things that happened in 2021. So in 2022, what I think I'm going to do is do a couple different things. But I would like to hear from you guys. What is it that you would like to see? I'm still all over the place, and I may have to end up launching a few new channels here. I'm working on a couple different things that would probably apply too much focus to my Mike's Inventions channel, actually. And so I'm going to probably have to start something new for these two other projects I've got going. But anyway, I would like to let you guys please, in the comments, let me know what you want to see. What did you like? What did you not like? I want to, of course, tailor things if I can to what you guys would like to see. I'm still going to be doing stuff all over the place. I'll probably never have any focus on this channel. The two other channels that I've tried on the side to have some focus really aren't panning out. And I imagine that's because if you're brand new, starting out on YouTube, the algorithm just isn't going to show you up in searches because it's not you can't fault YouTube for this. It's to their benefit to keep showing the videos that make them money, so that's okay, I suppose. But I'm going to try that again for a couple new channels coming in 2022. I won't tell you what they are just yet because I've still got a couple things going on. But I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas in 2021. We're all looking forward to 2022. And I want to thank you all that have stuck with me thus far. Please leave a comment down there. Let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see, and I'll try to give it a go. But go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.